How do you file taxes with a 1099 form? So if you've got a 1099 form, it usually means that you're self-employed or did freelance work or basically earning income from side hustles, which also means no taxes were taken out for you. So for example, you might be working at Uber or doing Fiverr gigs, freelancing or online work. And unlike a W-2 form, a 1099 means you're responsible for your own taxes. So you report your income yourself when you file. So all you need to do is gather your 1099 form, and it shows how much you earned for that year. You might actually get one form or multiple forms depending on how many clients or platforms you worked with. Now, all you gotta do is go to a tax software, for example, the TurboTax, which is popular. You can type TurboTax in Google and go to the first link. Or you can use the ones from IRS website, go to irs.gov, file, and then click on individuals. Now from here, click on file your taxes for free online, and then choose the guided tax software, which is the easiest option. Now browse all the partners and choose a partner that offers free federal return if you are eligible in any state. For example, TaxSlayer, you can click on the website here, and you will need to register an account if you don't have one already, or if you have one, you can sign in. And then when asked for income, because this will ask you questions that you'll answer and it will guide you through the process of filing by questions, you will need to select self-employment or 1099 income when you're asked for your income. And then you'll need to enter the amount shown on your form for the income. And if you have multiple 1099s, you basically add them together and enter the sum. And since you're using a 1099, no taxes were taken out, and you may owe income tax and sometimes self-employment tax. And you can also add any optional deductions to lower your taxes, such as adding expenses like internet, equipment, or tools basically you've used for your work. And once you're done, all you got to do is review everything carefully and submit your return online. And that's pretty much it. It's very simple. You just get your 1099, enter it as self-employment income, add your expenses and submit. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.